What if I told you that right now, at this very second, you are spending the most precious currency in the world? Not money, not gold, not Bitcoin. Time. You can earn money back. You can rebuild a business. You can fix a broken relationship. But the last 60 seconds? They are gone. Forever. So the real question is, are you treating your time like it matters? Or are you giving it away for free? To distractions, delays, and excuses? Today, we talk about the value of time. And by the end of this video, I promise you, the way you see every hour of your day will never be the same again. Let me tell you about a man named Arjun. Arjun was 28 years old, working a regular job in Dubai, sending money home to his family in India every month. On the surface, life looked fine. Steady income, decent apartment, food on the table. But Arjun had a dream to start his own business, an online store selling handmade crafts from his home state, Kerala. Every day, he would say, "I'll start next month. Next month, when things slow down at work. Next month after Eid. Next month, when I save a little more." Next month became next year. Next year became 5 years. One afternoon, Arjun's 60-year-old father called him from Kerala. His father had spent his whole life working at a textile factory. The same factory for 35 years. He said quietly, "Arjun, beta, I am retiring next week. I always wanted to open a small tea shop near the river. But now, my legs don't cooperate anymore." Arjun put the phone down, and in that silence, he understood something that no book had ever taught him. His father didn't run out of money. His father didn't run out of talent. His father ran out of time. That night, Arjun opened his laptop. He didn't wait for next month. He registered his business name. He called his cousin in Thrissur. He posted his first product photo at 1 a.m. It was imperfect. The photo was blurry. The description was short. But it was done. 3 years later, Arjun's store, Kerala Crafts World, ships to 14 countries. He now employs 9 artisans from his home village. And every single morning, he wakes up and whispers, "Not next month, today." So what is the true value of time? Let me break it down for you. First, time is the only resource that is perfectly equal. The richest man on earth and the poorest man on earth, they both get exactly 24 hours today. Jeff Bezos gets 24 hours. You get 24 hours. The difference, what they do with those 24 hours. Second, time is the only resource you cannot save. You can save money in a bank account. You can save food in a fridge, but you cannot save time. The hour you wasted scrolling social media this morning, it did not go into a savings account for later. It is gone, permanently. Third, how you spend your time tells you who you really are. Not your words, not your plans, not your intentions. Your calendar is your real autobiography. Where you spend your hours, that is where your priorities truly live. Ask yourself honestly right now, where did your last 7 days go? How many hours moved you closer to your dream? How many hours moved you nowhere? I am not here to make you feel guilty. I am here to wake you up. Let me give you 5 truths about time that successful people understand deeply. Truth number 1, busy is not the same as productive. You can be busy all day, answering messages, attending meetings, running errands, and still move 0 inches toward your real goal. Being busy is comfort. Being productive is courage. Truth number 2, every yes to distraction is a no to your dream. When you say yes to 3 extra hours of Netflix, you are saying no to 3 hours of building something that matters. Every second you spend, you are spending it somewhere. Make sure that somewhere is intentional. Truth number 3, small daily actions are more powerful than big occasional efforts. 30 minutes every single day for 1 year. That is 182 hours. That is enough to learn a new language, write a book, build a skill that changes your career. Not someday, every day. Truth number 4, regret is just wasted time with interest. The pain of regret, "I wish I had started earlier," is always heavier than the effort of starting today. So do not create regrets. Create results. Truth number 5, You already have enough time. You just haven't decided what it is for. You are not short on time. You are short on direction. Give your time a purpose and watch what it builds. So how do you actually start valuing your time? Here are 3 simple but powerful steps. Step 1, do a time audit. For just 3 days, write down how you spend every hour, morning to night. Honestly, you will be shocked at where the hours are disappearing. And that shock, that is the beginning of change. Step 2, protect your first hour. The first hour after you wake up is pure gold. Do not give it to your phone. Do not give it to social media. Do not give it to news. Give that first hour to something that builds your future. Exercise, learning, creating, planning. Own your morning, and your morning will own your day. Step 3, ask one question before everything you do. Is this moving me forward or keeping me still? That one question, every single time, before you open an app, before you agree to a meeting, before you binge another episode. Is this moving me forward or keeping me still? That question alone can transform your entire life. I want to leave you with this. Somewhere in the world right now, someone with half your talent, half your intelligence, and half your resources is outworking you. Not because they are smarter, but because they decided that their time is sacred. The life you dream about, it does not require a miracle. It requires hours. Consistent, intentional, focused hours. It requires you to stop saying someday and start saying today. Remember Arjun's father. He had the dream. He had the talent. He just ran out of time. You, reading this, watching this, you still have time. The question is, what are you going to do with it? Today, not next month. Not next year. Today.